Because the reason why I network still,
Right.
even though the majority of my clients, I am not gleaning from within the rooms of
Right.
networking,
Right.
it's because my strategy for networking is not to get business in that room. It's not.
Okay.
It is to become a person of influence and to build a reputation and to build my brand.
Okay.
And I stick very true to what my
Right.
brand is. It's authentic, it's me, and that's why it's resonated and it's worked.
That's right there was the $1 million line. You know, every time we do one of these shows, Nicole Taylor Sharp, there's always a $1 million line. You know, when John Pennington was here and he said, hey, if you're a business owner, 5 o'clock means nothing to you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a $1 million line.
That was a great interview.
Okay. Here's what she just said. I don't go to networking events to try to sell business or whatever out of the room. I go there to become a person of influence.
Mm-hmm.
Did the light bulb just go off in your head?